All right, in this video I'm going to be talking about WDC plan and the CRM plan. But first we're going to start with the WDC plan. I really like this setup over here. Great time frame alignment, great pattern. WDC is set up to test $90 to $95 a share. The March 17, 85 calls could be used. All right, people, so pay attention to this. To pay attention to the whole video for all the details, very important. All right, so WDC needs to break above 80 on some good action volume. Good action volume is 500K on a 10-minute chart. So if we crack through 80 on 500K on a 10-minute chart, that'd be a good way to enter. However, if that does not happen, so if it doesn't happen, we're going to look for power. We're going to have this base above 80 and look for power through 81 to 81 and a half. Okay, so basically if we don't get that volume smashed through the 80 area, we'll look for it to base above 80 and look for power towards 81 to 81 and a half. All right, people, let's go take a look at the options. All right, so this is the option. This is WDC's close 79.23. All right. And here's the March 17 calls, and this is the close of February the 2nd for Western Digital, 79.23. All right, let's look at the 85 calls. So, you know, there's some trading here. There's some open interest here. There was some trading in these options. 100 nice spread. See, this is what I like about this. See, nice spread, 3-cent spread. Oh, beautiful. Can this make a lot of money, people? You bet your bottom. We go to those targets. This is a great, phenomenal investment. This is a strong time frame alignment stock. This is a power trigger trade exclusive. All right, people, let's wait for confirmation though. So let's get back to the charts here. So basically, people, we're looking for power through 80. Some good action volume, 500K. If not, we're looking for basing above 80 and look for power towards 81 to 81 and a half. But I tell you, man, this stock's going to be a great investment with those options, and those March 17 calls have plenty of time, and there's no earnings for the stock till April. So this is a clear sky breakout. We're at a key pivot point, but we need the power and the pressure. All right, let's go take a look at CRM now. All right, so here's the plan for CRM. Now this plan is a Shia power trigger trade plan. Shia really likes this plan. This is a power trigger trade Shia / Sandro plan. If it wasn't for power trigger trade Shia, I don't think I'd be mentioning CRM, but I took a good look at it. He mentioned it to me. Power trigger trade Shia mentioned it to me, so I took a look at this. And so this is the plan recommended by power trigger trade Shia, and of course planned by power trigger trade Sandro. All right, people. Listen up. These options are trading really good. CRM is at a key pivot point. That means this thing should show us the power right now. We're a little over on the overbought zone, but we could still keep going, right? So it's a matter of, and the support is in the 77 area. Okay. So if they were to pull this back a little bit, that's all fine. But listen, we don't have to worry because we're going to look for the power and the pressure. Okay. So CRM is set up to test 86 to 88. The February 17, 80 calls could be used as a key pivot point. Oh, 80's call could be used. Now I don't know why I didn't fill this in correctly. So CRM set up to test 86 to 88. The February 17 calls could be used. Yeah, what I meant was what I understood now. I know what I didn't. When I typed this up, I typed this up quickly, but basically we are at a key pivot point. That's what I meant over here. So for disregard this point, these key numbers are what you want to understand. The February 1780 calls. Now, let's take a look at the entry now. So CRM needs to break about 80.40 on some strong action volume. Strong action volume is 1 million on a 10-minute chart. Now, so here's the thing now where, you got to listen to this video because not everything is written, okay? So I'm going to explain. So basically, if we don't get the volume through 80.40, we're going to watch for basing above 80.40, look for power through 81 to even 82. There are different resistance zones. But I believe if the power and the pressure comes through within those areas, so 80-40 is one area, However, if there's no volume, watch for basic above 80/40. Look for power towards 81 to even 81.5 to 82. Those are the different levels, okay, people? So basing and power towards key numbers is the key, right? We want to see both volume and think this stock needs volume and power to pop, in my opinion. But it's very well set up. Let's be patient, wait for confirmation. Let's go take a look at the options. Let's talk about some option strategies. All right, so CRM closed today at 80.13 on February the 3rd. All right, let's go take a look at the February 80 calls, okay? And you can see this. There's lots of trading happening here. See that? Look at that. Tight spread, okay? Not bad, right? Also, people, since you're listening to the video, we're going to go in depth and look at a lot of other options to trade, but we're looking at the 80s right now as a reference, and we're going to look at some other references as well. So someone could use the 80, you know, a lot of options are trading well. You could use the 81s, okay, they're trading very well as well. But there's a lot of good action happen. You can also use the, you know, right into the 82 calls. There's a great spread. You can see that. Now, let's go take a look at the March, right? So we'll take a look at the March together, March 17. If you want to use the March, and see if there's anything great. You know what? Look at this. If you want to use the 85 calls, right, because this can make a good move still, right? You can use these as well, right? Anticipation, this goes way above 85. So if you want to use the March 85 calls, these are what they're trading at. There's a lot of action here. So you see, there's anticipation of higher prices inside the options. But it's not just the options, by the way, people. It's the pattern and the options combinations, visionary lines that I look at, and we're at the key pivot point. Okay, people? So there you have it. CRM, a power trigger trade Shia idea. Right? He likes it. I'm expanding on the plan of what I like to see happen, but it's the power trigger trade team work here. Now remember, people, confirmation is key. You have a lot of, I've talked about the March options as well. We looked at the options, so we have a plan, people, and that's what power trigger trade is all about. It's about the plans and the confirmation and the price power and preparation to make the dollar bills. Now, if you like my plans, people, if you like my plans, don't forget to subscribe to Power Target Trades. Now, what I'm going to do at the end of the video, see the Sandro Power Target Trade, it's going to appear in a circle over here. And right through the video, it's going to give you a link. You'll be able to easily simply click on that and easily subscribe with inside the video. Isn't that amazing, people? That's just the setup of Google if you learn how to use the the video options and all that stuff. You've got to properly prepare the videos. I'm making it very easy for you guys to subscribe to the best power target trades. Now, if you have a problem subscribe, just come here manually and subscribe. I want to show you something on my website, people. I always show people this, especially if you're new. Let's click on this. Click on this link here, Power Target Trades. Let me show you something, people. This is my website, Power Target Trades. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Look at that video background. Oh, yeah, beautiful, beautiful. But you know what? Here's what you want to see. This great video here. Google 300% gains in 3 days, okay, with weekly options. Oh, what a great plan. You have to see this plan. I show you the options. I show you the options before and the options after. Very great plan. Also with Apple, with weekly options, with monthly options. 200% gains in 4 days. Fantastic plans, people. Check this out. Because this is done. You've got to check this video out. Check out my other. Check out the Senex video. Check out the SPY February 11 reversal. I make amazing, powerful plans. You struck gold by following my stream. Power trade, people. Power target trades. So there you have it, people. Let's get back to the. Don't forget to subscribe. It's going to appear over here, people. Thanks for listening. Like the video.